Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. The Bitcoin is still moving sideways and a little bit down. For example, this channel was formed on the hourly chart, and we can see that the channel is moving more down, and the candlestick moving within this channel is moving more down and down. So we will watch this channel, and we will also watch this bullish bad pattern and these support and resistance levels as well, and this up channel that was broken down a few days back. And we will also watch this current pattern and the price action at this time is struggling at the support of this pattern. So let's start the video. First of all, I would like to show you this bad pattern again that the price action has formed on the daily chart, and the price action just spiked within the potential reversal zone and completed the final leg of this bullish bad and moved up again. At this time, the price action is moving sideways. I'm expecting it will again enter in this potential reversal zone. Therefore, I suggested you to set this potential reversal zone as your stop loss very strictly, because if this potential reversal zone will be broken down, then the price action can move more down for the formation of bullish crab pattern that will be from 1.27 that is almost at $8,200 up to 1.618 Fibonacci level, and that is almost at $7,500. Therefore, we should set this potential reversal zone as our stop loss that is almost at $8,800. And now if we watch these support and resistance levels, then in my previous video we have seen that after breaking down this $9,500 support, the price action retested the previous resistance as support, support as resistance, and after retesting this support as resistance, now it is moving slightly down, and if it will be moved to the next support, then we have the next support at $8,800, and if it will be broken down, then our next support will be $8,200. This is also a very significant support because it has been working sometimes as support and resistance level as well. For example, here it has been working as support and resistance, and here it has been working as support, here it has been working as support. Therefore, it can be a powerful support for the price action. However, unless this support will be not broken down, we cannot expect that the price action will move down to this next support of $8,200. And if I place the moon phases indicator on this chart, then we can see that our recent dark moon was appeared at this level. That was giving clear indication that the price action can move up to this level, and we have recently seen a spike very close to this level, and the life of this dark moon is almost 18 days. For example, this moon was started from here, and the complete life of the dark and the full moon is 29.5 days. So at this time we can see that up to this candlestick, we have 18 candlesticks. So it means the life of this moon at this time is 18 days, and the next dark moon will be appeared after 11 or 12 days. So we need to use some other indicators to predict where the price action will move. Now, if we watch this down channel, then in my previous video, I told you that the price action need to break out this down channel that is formed on the hourly chart as soon as possible. At this time, we are having a very strong attempt by the price action to break out this resistance of down channel. If it will be not broken down and price action will be still moving within this channel, then automatically the resistance of the channel will be moved more down, and the support of the channel will be moved more down, and definitely the price action, the price will be moved more down within this channel. If we want to see the long projection of this channel, then we can use the pitchfork indicator. This is a basically tool like this we can use, and the other shoulder we can place here. And if I'll move it to the center, then we can see the long projection of the price action of this channel, that how much down it can take us. For example, this is 28th of June. If the price action will be moving down within this channel without breaking out or breaking down, Then on 28th of June, our resistance level will be almost at $8,900 and support will be at $8,700. Therefore, the price action need to break out this down channel as soon as possible. Now, if we watch the up channel that was formed on the daily chart, and the price action has broken down this channel as we received a strong signal by the moon phases indicator that the new moon was appeared at the support at this resistance, and the new dark moon, that is the bearish signal, was appeared at the distance below the support, that was giving signals that the price action may move up to this level to reach up to this dark moon. But at this time, the price action is not able to break down this 50 simple moving average support so far, even after the several powerful attempts. So unless this support will be not broken down, we cannot expect that the price action will move more furthermore down up to this dark moon, and after that it can also move up to this previous support of 200 simple moving average as well. That is almost at $8,250. And this is the most important chart. I'm looking on two charts for the bullish reversal signal. For example, this is the first chart. There's the bullish bad pattern, and the second one is this chart where the price action has formed this pennant, this bullish pennant on the daily chart. And at this time, the price action is just moving at the support, even though the price action has broke down this EMA 10 and EMA 21. This is the exponential moving average 10, and this is actually 20. I need to change it to 21 because 21 is more important and widely used, rather 20 exponential moving average. And here you can see that the price action is at the support, and these two exponential moving averages, the 10 and 21, are moving sideways, and they are, even though there is a bear cross, we can see that the blue line, the 10 moving average, has crossed down this EMA 21, but they are in fact moving sideways. Therefore, this bear cross cannot produce a really very powerful bearish move. And I've also researched that these three indicators are working very well with this pennant. For example, when the price action was at the support, we received a stochastic bull cross, and the MACD was also started turning bullish. Then we can see that the price action moved up to this resistance of the channel. Then again, when the price action moved up to this support of the pennant, and we received a bull cross by the stochastic, and the MACD indicator turned bullish, and here we received the bullish indication by the momentum indicator, and the price action again turned bullish and reached up to the resistance of the channel. And this time again, when the price action moved up to this support, first we received the bull cross by the stochastic here, and after that we have seen that the MACD started turning bullish, but the momentum indicator was ignoring the signals by these two indicators, and it is still not giving any value to the bullish indications and signals that was given by these two indicators, and it is still strong bearish. Therefore, so far the price action is moving at the support. However, if these two indicators will be turned bullish again from here and from the support, for example, the stochastic will again give the bull cross like it gave here, and MACD is also before us, it is turned weak bearish from strong bearish, and we will receive the strong the bullish signal or weak bearish signal, at least like we received here. Then we can expect an upward move up to the resistance of this pennant that is almost at $10,000. So I am looking at this signal, and also the bullish bad pattern that is appeared on this daily chart. So these two signals can give us the clear bullish reversal indications that the price action will, whether it will be reversed from here or not, and we should set our stop loss definitely here at the $8,800. That is the maximum extent of this potential reversal zone. So this was the update so far by the price action of Bitcoin. I'll definitely keep you updated if there will be more developments by the price line of Bitcoin. So if you like the video, then do hit the like, do subscribe to the channel, do share your comments, and do share my videos as well. Take care. Goodbye.